have become a better rider, although that's not harsh.
I think we can't handle, I don't think. A few close calls.
Extreme places I didn't know. I broke everything new again, everything that I don't. I threw it up.
This is extreme water skiing.
Extreme ways I know will part the colours of my sea. It's a perfect coloured sea.
Southern Spain, 2010, 40 degrees. The Dogs Motorcycle Club are here for an expedition up a mountain. Let's meet the team. Dirty Dog Jules, all the way from Hong Kong. JD, Wet Dog from Venice. Wild Dog Hailey, in from London. Desert Dog Christian from Abu Dhabi. Con the Frog, international adventurer. And lastly, Pariah Dog, tough as nails. Together they are the Dogs. 8:30 AM and the dogs are up. Although highly experienced, they gotta get used to their new toys. These bikes is powerful. There ain't no speedo, but that don't mean they ain't fast. Now these bikes might handle like a bleeding wardrobe on the road, but that ain't what they're made for. Next stop, the training ground.
It was a lot harder than I thought it was. Actually, before, we came, I thought that it would be, really easy. When he took us out onto the track on the first day, and he made us go around in the circle with our legs sticking out, I thought it was really stupid. And then he made us go up the hill and come down again. I thought that was a little bit more exciting.
But Jules hadn't reckoned quite how steep the hill was, as you can see.
I lost control of the bike and it just started slipping backwards. I landed into a bush. The bike landed on my leg and I couldn't get out.
And once up, he had to come back down again.
Especially the bit that you come down, because that was the steepest I've ever come down anything before, even during my extensive BMX experience.
But even Jules's BMX experience wasn't enough to keep him upright. Now watch the professionals do it. Instructor Trevor has been doing it all his life. He ain't afraid of the machine, that's for sure. Coming up, Trevor offers this advice to his students.
When in doubt, flat out.
And things get really tough for the dogs.